Hello and welcome to the Simple Step Show. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the slash command in Notion. Now, the slash command is how you insert almost any type of block onto a page. Now, I'm inside this ideas template page, and right now it has three sections: content ideas, project ideas, notes, and thoughts. Now, we're going to improve the structure using the slash command. So first I'll click inside of the content ideas space and I'll hit /. Now when I type that slash, a menu appears, and that menu is going to contain dozens of different blocks you can insert: headings, list, toggles, callouts, dividers, images, tables, and more. And based off of the things that you are using, it'll even give you suggested ideas. In this case, I'm going to type in div. Gives me the divider option. One nice thing about Notion is that it tells you what this command is going to do. In this case, it says visually divide blocks. I'll go ahead and click it, and it creates a horizontal line that visually separates sections, and that's actually going to help organize longer pages. So now I'm going to scroll down to the notes thought section. I'll simply click into an empty space, type my /, and in this case, I'm going to type in heading. I'm looking for heading 2 this time. Now, headings help you create structure in your page and make your longer notes easier to scan. So in this case, I'm going to type in future improvements. But I still want to do more. Inside of the future improvements, I think I'd like to add something that's collapsible. So I'll go ahead and hit my /, type in toggle. You'll get all the toggle listing options. And so up here, you'll see toggle list. Now toggles can hide and show content inside. I'm going to go ahead and click it. And I'm going to go ahead and add a name, template ideas. And now I've created my toggle. You can see here that if I hit enter, it automatically was going to try to create another one. In this case, I want to open the toggle, and I want to add a couple of things inside of my toggle. Okay, I've gone ahead and added my ideas inside of my toggle. Go ahead and collapse that, and you can see that they go away. And I think I'm going to do one more example. So I'm going to do what we've done every time, hit that / command, and this time I'm going to type in callout. A callout makes writing stand out. So you can see I get a visually distinct box. I also get an icon. I can change that to whatever I'd like. In this case, I'm going to keep it as the light bulb. And I want to add some text into this as well. All right, I've gone ahead and entered my text, and that's essentially how the / command works every single time. You just type a /, and then you start typing what you want to insert. And there are many different block types available, and it's far more than what we used here today. So I recommend typing / and then slowly scrolling through the list to see what's available. Now, you don't need to memorize them all. You just need to remember, type / and then start typing what you're looking for. And that's how you use the / command in Notion. Thanks for watching.